And then I actually experienced pain relief. So, it's a real effect. Is that due to endogenous opioids or something like that?
Right, it is. Yeah. So these are the few things we know. So through the human imaging studies, we know the parts of the brain that are activated during the placebo effect. And the other thing we know from studies by John Levin and Howard Fields in the 80s is that if you give naloxone to people, you're going to reduce the magnitude of the placebo effect. So naloxone,
it's an opioid blocker?
Yeah, an opioid receptor antagonist. So the same molecule that's given in DR to save people's life when they overdose. So this blocks all opioid receptors. And so the fact that you have a reduction, sometimes elimination of the placebo effect in the presence of naloxone tells you that it is indeed a release of endogenous opioid peptides that is, the molecular mechanism by which the placebo analgesia is caused. So somewhere in our brain, when we have an expectation that pain is going to get better, some neurons can release endogenous opioids, and that elevates pain threshold. Pain is more, acceptable or seems to be less intense.
So the opioid system is involved in the placebo effect.